Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Welcome to the arena, future Clash Royale champion. This incredibly popular mobile strategy game pits two players against each other in real time with the goal of destroying your opponent's king's tower before they destroy yours. You'll use a deck of 8 unique cards, deploying troops, spells, and buildings onto the battlefield. Your main resource is Elixir, which slowly generates during the match and determines how many cards you can play. It's all about strategic card deployment. Building a balanced deck is crucial for success. Think of it like assembling a small, powerful army. You'll want a mix of troop types, some for defense, some for attacking towers, and maybe a spell or two. Don't make your deck too expensive in Elixir, or you'll struggle to play cards quickly. A good average Elixir cost is usually around 3.5 to 4.5. Experiment to find a deck that feels right for your playstyle. Understanding Elixir flow is a game changer. Elixir generates over time, and both players get the same amount. The trick is to not waste it, meaning don't let your Elixir bar stay full for too long if you could be playing a card. Try to make positive Elixir trades, where your cards destroy your opponent's cards while costing less Elixir. This builds up an Elixir advantage, allowing you to launch bigger, more powerful pushes. Offense and defense go hand in hand. For a strong push, try placing a high-health troop, your tank, at the bridge. Then, support it with damage dealers like archers or wizards right behind it. When defending, think about what cards directly counter your opponent's attack. For example, use a minion horde against a tank that can't hit air. Knowing common card interactions will save you Elixir and keep your towers safe. The best way to improve is simply to play and learn from your experiences. Don't be afraid to try new cards or deck combinations. Joining a clan offers a fantastic community where you can get advice, trade cards, and even engage in friendly challenges. Watching how top players use different cards can also teach you a lot about timing and placement. Keep playing, stay curious, and you'll climb the ranks in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.